All right, guys, Chef Anthony here at the Robinson Experience Center. We're gonna make some pork loins today, but we're cooking them indoor on the grill. We're featuring the Blue Star range, getting some nice high-power BTUs on this guy. So let's jump right in, talk about these pork loins, okay? We're just gonna pat them dry, get some moisture off them. You know what I mean? I like my marinade, my seasonings to stick really well, okay? We're gonna add a little bit of soy sauce, probably 2 tablespoons, just to add a little bit of acidity, kind of break down those, and it helps caramelize, get some real good color on this pork as well, all right? A little bit of allspice too as well. So we're gonna use probably a full teaspoon of allspice on there just to get it going, all right? Nice teaspoon of chopped garlic, goes right in. All right, couple tablespoons of salt, nice and easy. 1/4 teaspoon, a little drizzled olive oil, and then a little honey. So I have some amber colored honey right here. Nice tablespoon of honey will make that work. Guys, we're just gonna fold these in, make sure they're all coated evenly. We don't wanna saturate them. We just wanna get a nice, make sure everything's incorporated really well. That looks great like that. We're gonna head to the grill that I got preheated and we're gonna make some marks, make some magic. Grill's at a perfect temperature now, guys. Got the marinated pork loins. We wanna put them in, guys, this is the tip right here. Put it like this and just go away. So if you never bring it back, you'll never splash and you'll never hurt yourself, okay? Give them a little bit of space. We don't have to put them right next to each other, okay? These are nice and thin. They're gonna be about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. We wanna get perfect grill marks on these. We wanna make them look great, okay? All right, we're gonna flip them like this. Right, crew, nice and easy right here. Look at these marks. All right, look at that. We're gonna now, here we get that. Now we're just gonna go straight down to get that perfect look. All right, pick it up right here. Look at that, check that out. We're just gonna go right down so we get that perfect little checkerboard look. Very nice again, right there. Oh, perfect, guys. We'll play checkers on that all day. All right, these guys we're gonna put right here. Very nice again. Look at that finished product, guys. Perfect grill marks on these guys, okay? Nice and easy. We'll let them rest a little bit and then we'll cut into them. Oh, there's only one thing left to do, guys. They've rested, they're really nice. We're just gonna slice into them. Gotta taste them, all right? Take one off here, get it on the board. Oh, perfect texture, perfect color. Oh man. That's summertime cookout grilling right here, inside. I could eat that all day. Nothing left to say on this, guys. Make this for yourself. Let me know how it turns out. Enjoy this one. Thank you.